Okay, it's ready. How did you do this? Let me get down. Okay. Drop it. Okay. Huh? What? Alex. It's nice being up here, enjoying the view and hopping to this guy. Hello. Hello. Nice job. Okay. Whoa! What did you just do to the bed? Huh? I shouldn't eat that. Hello, brother. Dirt. Hey. Hey. Hey, come back here. No. This is not time to eat. This guy's literally fat. Fat man. Wow, a little sheep pig. Pig sheep. What is that? Oh. What? And to the void. That's what you get. Whoop. Yeah, just like a card. Can I take this one? Play. Huh? What is this? There wasn't a... Huh? There wasn't a... I don't care. Whoop. Thank you. Yes, Alex. Go for the attack. How did I miss? No. How did you? Bruh! Now my turn. Now get that one. Oh, look like a magnet. Can you please stop eating things? Yo! Huh? How did you do that? Just skills, bro. Just skills. Whoa, what did you just do? Just one. Whoa. I'm running. Get in. We survived. Oh, is that a... Where did you go? Okay. 2 slams, 4 slams. Wait in a second. Or maybe just fly away. Okay, that's fine. Huh? Wait. No. Whoa! Huh? Okay. Yeah. Every time. What the? What about what? Okay, the water's gone now. Ew! What are you doing, you stupid? I'm trying to go to the front of my head. Okay. Hey! Hey, Steve. Hello. Hi. Oh, you're here, Alex. Hey, we're together now. How many times will I die? I don't know how many times. I guess you have bad luck. Whoa, good. Not safe, dude. Now. Okay, let's get in. Thanks for the water. Oh, hi me again. How many times do I die? Why? Okay, time to get in. Okay. Stop messing with. Whoa, 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 yo. Hi. That's cool. I guess the Anvil hasn't been taken out. No! Ha! That's what you get for messing with these guys.